this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do a hard factory reset to your Samsung Galaxy Tab, that is Tab A9 or A9 Plus or any other version tab could be the similar. Okay, so here we have Tab A9 8.7 inches. Let's unlock your tab. After unlocking your tab, you have to find this option called setting here. Go inside the setting option. In setting at the corner this side, you have to come account and backup option. You can see here. Before doing reset, you have to do a backup of your thing, backup of everything. You're gonna lose every data. So backup data in cloud, you can do backup in Google Drive. So do whatever backup you like. Here at the bottom, you see reset and Samsung Cloud. Go inside reset. Here you have all sort of reset. You say reset all setting, reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth setting, then reset accessibility setting. The last one, factory data reset. So I click this one, factory data reset. It's gonna erase every account, that all the account is connected here and every information. So do a backup of everything before doing this reset. Hit this button of reset. You have to know your pin, put the pin. Hit continue after. Now it's telling me delete all. So hit delete all. Here we go. They're asking me my passwords. After putting your password, hit OK button here. Let's see. Shutting down, so we have to wait a bit. Restarting logo of Samsung, you can see here. It will take some time depending the amount of data you have. Samsung logo one more time, Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox. One UI appears here. Samsung one more time, secured by Knox. So you see welcome screen, hit start. And you have to do the setup as you have done for the first time. So put your residing country and all the information as you have done for the first time. So this is the way you can do a hard factory reset to your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or any other version. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.